can we transfer text so that it remains editable? First, type the text that you need. Then, click on Transform, swipe with 3 fingers and select Copy. Next, exit and open the canvas where you want to transfer the text. Go to Add and select Paste. When you check the layers, you'll see that the text has been pasted as an image. You can transform it, but you won't be able to edit the text itself. So how can we make it editable? Go back to the original canvas. Click on the text and place the cursor after the last letter. A menu will appear. In this menu, click on the Copy button. Now exit and open the desired canvas. Click on Insert Text, delete the placeholder word text, and then select Paste. The text will load, and now you can edit it as needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new tools and materials.